Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to add or pin Google Calendar to Windows 10 taskbar using Opera browser. For this, first open Opera browser and then visit this one Google Calendar website and sign in to this one website. Then minimize Opera browser. Now click on this one Start button and type here Opera. In the search results, right click on this one Opera browser entry, select open file location. Again right click on this one Opera shortcut, select open file location. Now you will find this one Opera application. Right click on it. After pressing shift key on the keyboard, in the in the pop-up menu, select this one copy as path option. Now close this one file explorer window. Now right click on the free space on the desktop, select here new and then shortcut option. In the location box, paste the copied path, put one space, then hyphen, then type URL, again put one space. Now copy Google Calendar path from your Opera browser and paste at the end of the location box. Then click on this one next button, name it Google Calendar. Then click on this one finish button. Now you will see a desktop shortcut for Google Calendar. Right click on this one shortcut after selecting it and then click on this one pin to taskbar option. Now Google Calendar will be pinned to Windows 10 taskbar. Click on this one Google Calendar button and it will open Google Calendar in a new tab in Opera browser.